Today I'm at Good Time Restaurant in Koh Phangan, Thailand. And this dish is Woon Sen seafood. Glass noodle salad seafood. It's a wonderful dish. It's refreshing. It's a really hot day today here on the island. So we're going to show you how to make it so you can make it at home. Okay, so squid, is this cooked?
Not cooked, fresh.
Fresh squid.
Fresh squid. We have only fresh.
Fresh
We
squid.
clean first, take out skin, everything.
Okay, so you've taken off the skin of the squid.
Now we boil glass noodle.
Glass noodles,
yes,
okay, so you're boiling glass noodles.
For the glass noodle, we put in the water about 1 hour for easy to cook.
You soak it for 1 hour.
Like this. About 1 hour. Make soft and easy to cook, not too long time. And now we take some vegetable.
Okay, what is the name of that vegetable?
This one, spring onion, yes?
Spring onion.
Spring onion. And this one,
I think we call it cilantro. Parsley?
Thai parsley.
Thai parsley.
We cut long like this.
If you can't find Thai parsley, I think cilantro is a good substitute in the United States anyway.
Very good tasty, put in the
Yes,
salad.
I love it. Onions, tomato.
Onion, Thai, Burma.
Yeah,
Burma onion.
Burmese onion.
Yes. Very good.
Yeah, so the Burmese onion is like our purple onion.
Very strong.
Yeah, and the other is the yellow onion.
Take out the skin and clean. First,
We chop some purple onion.
yes. Not too much.
Not
A little
too
bit,
much.
okay. Because some people don't like onion. Many people don't like onion.
So if you don't cut it too fine, people can pick out what they don't
Yes.
want.
Onion,
And the white onion.
yes. And tomato.
So you don't use the middle of the tomato.
I don't put,
This part,
yeah, make wet, so wet.
Too wet if you use the middle of the tomato. So now the glass noodle.
Yes, we have to cut because it's too long. About 150 gram or 200 for one.
About 150 to 200 grams for one person.
And now we can put some seafood.
So you got shrimp and squid in there.
Yes, please.
Okay.
After noodle.
So if you're doing tofu, do you put tofu in there?
Tofu we put also in here.
Okay. So any kind of protein you want, pork,
Yeah, eat pork, everything put.
everything.
Yeah.
Okay. And how long do you cook the noodles for?
Noodle about 3 minutes.
About 3
Really
minutes.
soft because we put in the water before. Not long time because make like a so small, not good.
Too soft.
Yes. Now ready?
Yes.
We just take out hot water and put no more water for clean.
Okay, so she just drained the water and rinsed it to clean it. So now it's cleaned, rinsed seafood and glass noodles into the pot. You can buy glass noodles at most markets in the United States, for sure at any Asian market, but most large grocery stores will have glass noodles available. And just follow the directions on the package.
And now I show you how to make sauce.
Okay, so the sauce.
ค่ะ. Same like a papaya salad. So they put
Fish sauce?
fish sauce, 1 spoon sugar.
So if you're vegan, what do you, just no sauce?
Yeah. And this one, chili sauce.
Chili sauce.
Chili sauce, about 1 spoon tea.
Okay,
Yeah, mix together.
all
You
right.
like spicy?
I like medium.
Medium spicy, so I have long one today.
Oh, so it's going to be a little spicy
So
today.
I take half, only half, it's okay?
Yes. This is a Thai chili.
Thai chili, very, very spicy. Good.
Do you ever burn your fingers when you touch it with your fingers?
No.
No, no problem.
Every day I do.
Every day, no problem. Now the lime.
Now the lamb. For one lamb, it's okay.
I don't see this dish very often in Thai restaurants in the United States, and it's probably one of my very favorite. And this is the best place for it. Good time.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
I've had it many places, and this is the best.
Mix together.
Okay.
We have to wait for the sugar.
To dissolve.
Yes. Now we put together. Put mix some vegetables, some sauce.
Mix everything together in the pot. Stir it
ขอ
up.
จานหน่อยค่ะพี่ Okay, finish.
Okay, our glass noodle
Ah.
seafood salad, and we call this yam woon sen.
ยำวุ้นเส้นทะเล
ทะเล
in Thai, yes. You want to try?
I'm going to have that for lunch if that's okay. Okay, thank you. And tell me again, where are we at?
Good Time Restaurant. If you want some good food, you can come here, yes. ขอบคุณค่ะ
Thank you, Kap. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and click the bell so you'll be notified when the next video is up. Please take the time to leave a comment below, letting us know what you like or what you would like to see more of. Giving us a like and leaving a comment helps us to keep bringing you free videos like this.